In this video, I'll show you how to link a bank account on Wise so you can add money or pay more easily. First, open the Wise app and log in. On the home screen, tap either Send, Add Money, or open the currency balance you want to use. The option to link a bank usually appears when you choose how you want to pay for a transfer or top-up. Now choose your payment method. When Wise asks how you'd like to pay, select Bank Transfer or Direct Debit/ACH. The exact wording depends on your country. Here you'll either be asked to connect your bank online by logging in through a secure partner or to enter your bank details manually like account number, routing number, IBAN, or sort code. Follow the on-screen steps. If you connect online, sign in to your online banking and approve access. If you enter details manually, type them carefully and confirm. Once your bank is linked and verified, Wise will save it as a saved payment method, so next time you can just select that bank again instead of re-entering everything. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.